Hi, welcome to my channel. We are talking about today organic traffic works best. The best growth starts with organic traffic. Organic traffic works best because it builds the skills and trust you need before spending a dollar on ads. It is earned, not bought. Organic traffic works best because real attraction comes from value you create, not money you spend. Helpful content builds trust. Organic traffic works best because every useful post proves your expertise and turns readers into buyers. It shows what resonates before you spend. Organic traffic works best because clicks, saves, shares, reveals winning messages before you pay to amplify them. The foundations before paid ads scale results. Organic traffic works best as your foundation, then paid ads scale what already converts. So if you like what you've heard today and you want to follow me, subscribe to me,